Hey everyone, it's me. I love you, Pooh Bear 97. My name is Ray Sean, and here's a song I came up with. It's called Myasia Ceiling Fan Is Not Twerking. And I'll be rapping off the instrumental beat of Swimming Pool by Kendrick Lamar. So here it is. Myasia Ceiling Fan is not twerking, twerking. Myasia Ceiling Fan is not twerking, twerking. Myasia Ceiling Fan is not twerking, twerking. It is well balanced and is not even shaking. Myasia Ceiling Fan is not twerking, twerking. Myasia Ceiling Fan is not twerking, twerking. Myasia Ceiling Fan is not twerking, twerking. It is well balanced and is not even shaking. Her ceiling fan was out of whack. Her ceiling fan was really off balance. Her ceiling fan was twerking like a girl. She was scared it will fall on the floor. It ain't been used in years. I tightened up the motor and blades. I was testing out her ceiling fan. Her fan was not twerking around. She was happy that I balanced her fan. Her fan is now wobble free. She got a Hampton Bay Huntington One. Her fan is purple and white. Myasia ceiling fan is not twerking, twerking. Myasia ceiling fan is not twerking, twerking. Myasia ceiling fan is not twerking, twerking. It is well balanced and is not even shaking. Myasia ceiling fan is not twerking, twerking. Myasia ceiling fan is not twerking, twerking. Myasia ceiling fan is not twerking, twerking. It is well balanced and it's not even shaking. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. More to come.